Hey everyone! Welcome back to our English speaking practice channel. Today, we're going on a little morning trip to a coffee shop. Yeah, you heard that right. We're going to learn how to order coffee in simple, natural English, just like Americans do every morning. But first, imagine this. You walk into a cozy cafe. The smell of fresh coffee fills the air. You hear soft music, people typing on their laptops, and the sound of milk steaming. That smell, it's just amazing. Now here's the question. Do you know how to order coffee in English? Politely and confidently? If not, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll speak like a pro. Whoa, yeah! You open the cafe door. Ding ding! The little bell rings as you walk in. The barista smiles and says, "Hi there. What can I get started for you today?" That's a very common question in the US. It simply means, "What would you like to order?" You smile and say, "Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?" Point. Can I get is a polite and natural way to ask for something in a cafe or restaurant. Instead of saying, "I want," say, "Can I get?" It sounds more friendly and polite. The barista might ask, "Sure, what size would you like? Small, medium, or large?" You reply, "Medium, please." Then you can add something extra like, "Can you make it with oat milk?" Or, "Can I get an extra shot of espresso?" Point. Can you make it with is used when you want to change something in your drink. Extra shot of espresso means you want more caffeine, stronger coffee. Sometimes it's okay to ask the price before paying. You can say, "How much is it?" Or, "How much does that cost?" The barista might reply, "That'll be $5.25. You can respond, "Okay, here you go," handing money or card. Then they might say, "Thank you. Your drink will be ready in a minute." You can smile and say, "Thanks," or "Thank you so much." Hey, see, it's really that easy. While waiting, you might hear the barista call out, "Latte for Sarah." If that's your name, you can say, "Oh, that's me. Thank you." Point. In American cafes, they often write your name on the cup and call it out when it's ready. So make sure to listen carefully. You take your drink and say, "Ah, smells so good." Then maybe take a sip and go, that's perfect." That's what many people say after their first coffee in the morning. Let's go over some easy phrases again. Can I get a medium latte, please? Can you make it with oat milk? How much is it? Thanks. Have a great day. Practice saying these phrases slowly and clearly. Don't worry about your accent. Just focus on sounding natural. And that's it for part 1. We just learned how to order coffee like a native English speaker. In part 2, we'll go a little deeper. You'll learn how to start a small conversation with the barista, how to handle mistakes, and how to sound even more confident when ordering.
In part 1, you learned how to order coffee politely and clearly. Now, in part 2, we'll go a little further. We'll learn how to talk naturally while waiting, how to handle mistakes, and how to sound friendly and confident like a native speaker. So grab your coffee, relax, and let's keep learning together. After ordering, sometimes the barista might ask a friendly question like, "How's your day going so far?" That's a simple way Americans make small talk. You can reply, "Pretty good, thanks. How about yours?" Pretty good means fine or okay, but it sounds more natural and friendly. The barista might smile and say, "Not bad, a bit busy today." You can laugh softly and say, "Yeah, mornings are always busy." This small talk makes your English sound warm and natural. Even short sentences can make a big difference. Sometimes something goes wrong. Oops. Maybe you get the wrong drink. You look at your cup and say, excuse me, I think this isn't my order." The barista will usually say, "Oh, I'm so sorry. What did you order?" You can answer, "I ordered a medium latte with oat milk." They'll fix it quickly and say, "Here you go." You smile and say, "Ah, thank you so much." Notice how we always stay polite even when there's a mistake. Politeness is key when speaking English in the U.S. Now imagine this. You take your drink, sit down, open your laptop, and take that first sip. Perfect. You look outside the window, people walking, cars passing, sunlight on the street. That's the little magic of an American cafe morning. You might hear someone next to you say, "This place has the best coffee in town." You can reply, "Yeah, totally. I come here almost every day." Totally is a common American expression that means I agree completely. They might ask, "Do you work around here?" You can reply, "Yeah, I work just a few blocks away." A few blocks away means a short walking distance. See? Just simple, friendly English. No complicated grammar, no stress. Just natural conversation, step by step. Sometimes, before leaving, people say a quick goodbye to the barista. You can say, "Thanks again. Have a good one." Have a good one means have a good day. It's very common in casual American English. The barista might smile and say, "You too." And you reply, "See ya," or "Bye." That's it. You just completed your real-life English coffee shop experience. Wow! That was fun, right? You learned how to order coffee, how to ask questions, how to handle mistakes, and even how to make friendly small talk. This is how real people speak every day in the U.S. So practice these sentences again and again. Don't rush. Speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. The more you repeat, the more natural you'll sound. Let's repeat some key phrases from this part. How's your day going so far? Pretty good, thanks. How about yours? Excuse me, I think this isn't my order. Ah, thank you so much. Yeah, totally. Have a good one. All these phrases are simple but very powerful for everyday speaking. And remember, the goal isn't to sound perfect. The goal is to communicate with confidence. So the next time you visit a cafe, don't be shy. Smile, take a deep breath, and say, "Hi, can I get a medium latte, please?" You'll be surprised how friendly people are when you try. Feels good, right? You did it! You just completed both parts of your English cafe conversation practice. Haha, great job! I'm so proud of you. Keep practicing every day and soon English will feel as natural as your morning coffee. Yay! Thanks for watching, my friend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you in the next English speaking practice. Bye for now, and enjoy your coffee.